How to sign into Outlook using QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can sign into Outlook using QR code. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's guide it through. In order to sign into Outlook using QR code, all you gotta do is first you wanna go ahead and open up Outlook that you wish to sign in now on using QR code. Then you can see Add Account option, tap on Add Account. Now here it's asking me to, so I'll just skip this. But once you're on the Add Account page, it'll ask you to add using email or add Google account. But at the top, you can see the QR code icon there, right? You want to tap on QR code, and now you can see scan QR code or sign in manually. Tap on scan QR code and allow the access for camera. And now it'll give you the option to scan the QR code. Now, next step is to head over to the particular device that your account is logged in on, whether Android or Windows. If it is on Windows, it'll be easy. If you are on your Android device, then you'll have to log in on the web, and then here you should switch to desktop mode. So I'm switched to desktop mode, as you can see by tapping on three dots, and here logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll find the help option, tap on help, and once you tap on help, you can see Outlook mobile option, tap on Outlook mobile. And here it'll give you the QR code. So basically you'll have to scan this particular QR code with your new device that you wish to sign in on once you have gone through the previous step that I showed. So this is how you can easily log into Outlook or sign into Outlook using QR code. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.